If you own property in the County of San Diego, whether it's your residence, an income property, commercial, or industrial property, maybe you own a boat or an airplane, this video might be important to you. It's about the way that you, as a property owner, can contest the assessed or taxable value of your property. It's called the assessment appeals process.
The County of San Diego Assessor's Office will post the annual notification of value on our website by June 30th. If your property was subject to an assessable change in ownership or new construction, a notice of supplemental assessment will be sent through the U.S. Postal Service. Either way, if you disagree with the assessed value of your property, you do have options to appeal it. You should know ahead of time that there's only so much you can expect to be subtracted from your assessed value.
As your assessor, I want you to know my team is here to help you. We're here to help you understand your property tax assessment and, most importantly, property tax saving opportunities. We have a taxpayer advocate office specifically to help you with any issues that may arise, and most importantly, ensure that you're not overtaxed. All these services are free from my office, and most importantly, again, here to protect you. We have a proven track record of 99% of the time resolving any questions or concerns you may have before you even need to go to an assessment appeals hearing.
The first thing you should do is contact the County of San Diego Assessor's Office to discuss your new assessed value. The staff in the Assessor's Office will be able to explain the new assessment more clearly to you. If you and the Assessor's Office come to an agreement on the value of your property, a stipulation agreement will be mailed to you for your review and signature and must be mailed back to the county. If you and the Assessor's Office agree to disagree on the assessed value of the property, an assessment appeal hearing is the next step.
In my office, we put people first with great customer service, and we always work to resolve your property tax issues quickly and efficiently within our office. However, if we cannot, we will work with you and the Assessment Appeals Board to ensure you're treated fairly and receive an efficient hearing. We are about getting to the right value and making sure you're treated fairly.
Your first assignment is to do your homework, literally. Look at the renovations or changes you may have made to your home. Look into documentation about your home and into recent sales in your neighborhood.
My office is working to ensure you receive a fair and equitable assessment. The property tax system goes further to protect you in California. It provides that you have the opportunity to understand and appeal your assessments if you ever believe the value that we've assigned you should be different. But please be aware there are statutory timelines and documentation you're going to need to discuss your property tax appeal. We want you to preserve your rights and help resolve any issues. Remember, we're here to serve you.
Some things to keep in mind as you go through the assessment appeals process. First of all, if you have questions about how to complete the application form or questions about the appeals process in general, staff at the Clerk of the Board's office can help you. As mentioned, look for documents about your property, anything that might help in making your case before the Assessment Appeals Board. Do some research about recent sales in your neighborhood. Make 5 copies of every document you use. You'll need to distribute these copies at the hearing. And keep in mind, there are also private companies out there that'll handle your appeal for you. Use the booklet provided by the Clerk of the Board's office to guide you through the assessment appeals process. Most of the information you need is also available by visiting the County of San Diego's website. Your case will go before the Assessment Appeals Board, a 3-member panel appointed by the Board of Supervisors, to act as an independent panel to resolve disputes over property assessments. The board members are CPAs, attorneys, licensed real estate brokers, or certified real estate appraisers. Their job? To listen to both sides and render a decision on your appeal. If you have questions regarding the assessment appeals process, jot down the following phone numbers. The County Assessor's Office is the first place you should start for information and questions on your property assessment notice. The Clerk of the Board of Supervisors office can help you with the forms and any other information you may need relating to the appeals process.